Often you will see students walking around campus to go to their classes or their dorms. However, last night, several students and organizations walked around campus for a different reason. Jimmy Nichols has the story.
The third annual Walk for Unity is where several Troy organizations came together to create an event for unity in a time full of division. Step by step, members of Troy University's 101 Elite Men, Black Student Union, Student Government Association, and Delta Sigma Theta marched across Troy's campus in a unified show of support for Black History Month.
I feel like us in small town Troy doing this, I think it just speaks so much volume, and it just shows that even though we're a small town, we care and we see and we hear about everything that's going on, and we want our input and we want the world to know that, we would like for everyone to be united.
Dr. Rosser Mims led part of the night and urged students to continue promoting what she calls the global village.
I really believe in the human spirit. I believe in our future talent, and I have the utmost just belief that our student leaders, they will ensure that our democracy, our global village remains intact.
The Unity Walk comes in the middle of For the Culture Week, a time where students are encouraged to recognize all of the contributions Black people have made across the country and the world. Jimmy Nichols, Troy, TrojanVision News.
For the Culture Week, we'll continue with DJ Wars, and that's tonight at 7 in the TC Ballrooms.